requested this song Moy'Ongwele Siyakudinga by Dumi Mkokstard. So if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so if you're watching this from TikTok, Facebook, go and check full video on YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel, Sansa Mavestas Piano Seminar. Okay, so before any waste of time, I will first break it down in G sharp and go to F sharp and C sharp. Okay, so I will only play this part, Moy'Ongwele Siyakudinga, and leave that other part because of I heard many churches sing this part most than that other parts. Okay, so yeah, you will tell me on the comment section if you want me to play a full song, then I will redo the tutorial. All right, so thank you. So the song starts right here. Or you can do come here like Moy'Ongwele. This one, okay? This chord. Siyakudinga. Alright? Moy'Ongwele. Alright, so which means you will say 1, sorry, then we come to this one, then this one, then this one, then you close it. So which means it will say 1, then 4, okay, then you say on your left it will be 6, then on your left it will be 5, then here is this chord. Just that I don't know its name, but it's the first inversion of D sharp. Okay, then you say 4, then 6, then 5, then close it. Okay, so this song is very simple. If you didn't understand in your preference key, go and check again and again. So before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp. All right, so in F sharp it's also very simple, né? So our song starts right here on this one. Like okay, I hope you saw it. Moy'Ongwele, then you close it, right? It's like this one, then this one, then this one, then you close it. So this is how our song goes, guys. If you didn't understand, go and check again and again. So I will only play this part as I mentioned. All right, so let's go to C sharp. Okay, So C sharp, it starts right here. Alright, then it ends here. It's like it's like Moy'Ongwele, Siyakudinga. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.